Okay, let's take a look at the inner loop here. We can see here at the top, we are writing our results with to a CSV file, and then we're sweeping phase from -180 to 181. And here, this command is incorrect. We need to grab the phase command over here and insert that here instead. We're gonna format it to look just like the one above here. So we take the phase value and the outer loop and insert it right there. Remove this fake skippy command. And here is the measure power command. And here we're gonna grab this command we looked up earlier instead and say power string is equal to that, because we have to do some modifications here. We have to split this value by commas. And then we can say power is equal to the float of those values. Like that. We'll delete this. And here we can see a write out into our CSV file of phase and power. And we'll also be printing a debug message for what the phase and the power is at each value in the loop.